Dear children, come back to economics, second chapter. Today we are going to read the story of two friends, Vilas and Sakal. The two following cases illustrate how people can try to become a more productive resource. Now let us see the story of Sakal. There were two friends, Vilas and Sakal, living in the same village, Simapur. Sakal was a 12-year-old boy. His mother, Sheila, looked after domestic chores. His father, Bhutta Chaudhary, worked in an agricultural field. Sakal helped his mother in domestic chores. He also looked after his younger brother Jitu and sister Situ. His uncle Sham had passed the matriculation examination but was sitting idle in the house as he had no job. Bhutta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. They forced him to join the village school, which he soon joined. He started studying and completed his higher secondary examination. His father persuaded him to continue his studies. He raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computers. Sakal was meritorious and interested in studies from the beginning. With great vigor and enthusiasm, he completed his course. After some time, he got a job in a private firm. He even designed a new kind of software. This software helped him increase the sale of firm. His boss acknowledged his services and rewarded him with a promotion. Children, in this story of Sakal, you have seen that Sakal's father and mother were very eager to teach him. After completing higher secondary examination, Sakal continued his studies. His father raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computers. Although Sakal was very interested in studies, after completing his course, he got a job in a private firm. Now let us see the story of Vilas. Vilas was an 11 years old boy residing in the same village as Sakal. Vilas' father Mahesh was a fisherman. His father passed away when he was only 2 years old. His mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. She bought fish from the landowner's pond and sold it in nearby mandi. Mandi here means market. She could earn only rupees 150 a day by selling fish. Vilas became a patient of arthritis. His mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. He could not go to school either. He was not interested in studies. He helped his mother in cooking and also looked after his younger brother Mohan. After some time, his mother fell sick and there was no one to look after her. There was no one in the family to support them. Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. He, like his mother, earned only a merge income. Children, in case of Vilas, his mother was only earning member. Anyhow, she earned money to feed the family. Vilas became a patient of arthritis. Arthritis here means disease of joint pains. His mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. He could not go to school. He was not interested in studies also. After some time, his mother also fell sick and there was no one to look after her. Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the market like his mother and earn little income. So children, there is difference between these two friends. What is that difference? That we will see in the next class. Thank you.